Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to another nighttime pouring episode. Last week I had done a mini collaboration with my friends Lee and Jeremy from Masse Art Studio. We did our inspiration celebration and I had done a big 36 by 36 with a flip cup on one side and the gigantic shovel on the other side. And I did the flip cup and it was really cool, and I stretched the whole thing out and it was awesome, and a lot of you guys really loved it. And then I did the shovel on it, which also was really awesome, but ended up tilting off most of the flip cup. So tonight I have some of those same colors left over. I want to do the flip cup for you guys on this 24 by 30 and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it'll be really pretty because the other one was. Okay, so we are using the same colors. Let me show you just real fast. This is our permanent violet dark from Golden. Not real thin, not real thick. Little mound on a mound before it sinks into itself. So that's the permanent violet dark. So this one is DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in deep sapphire. Beautiful color. Okay, and then this one is Golden Quinacridone Violet. Really pretty stuff. This one seems a little bit thicker than everything else, but that's okay. I'm just gonna go with it. And then we have some DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics, 24 karat gold. And then we have this one is Amsterdam Pearl Blue with a little bit of the satin enamels in pure white. And that one is definitely a little bit thicker. But that's okay because I don't actually want our white too thin, because if your white is too thin then it's going to muddy everything up, especially when we're doing a dirty cup. I also have a little bit of this Payne's Gray mixed with the micaceous iron oxide that I'm going to use as my base coat, and we will be thinning this one out. Just a little bit. Okay, so let's layer our cup first. That's a 16 ounce cup. For a 24 by 30 we need about 26 ounces of paint if I'm not mistaken. So that would be almost 25 ounces of paint. This is a 16 ounce cup. This is a 9 ounce cup also, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna put down a base coat, we're gonna flip this one out and lip it, and then if we need more paint we can always layer this one, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so let's layer this one. We're gonna do a dirty cup again because that's what we did before. So we're going to start with some of the permanent violet dark, and we're going to put some gold in there. And then we're going to go into that gorgeous Quinacridone Violet. And a little bit of white. And some of that deep sapphire. A little bit more of the permanent violet dark. Just a smidge more gold. And notice I'm pouring this from up high so that it sinks down underneath the surface. Quinacridone Violet. A little bit of white. Some more deep sapphire. And I'm going to do one more shot of the permanent violet. It's such a cool looking cup already. It's kind of like a rainbow on top almost. Okay, so we're going to take our Payne's Gray micaceous iron oxide. We're going to add a tiny bit of water to this to thin it out just a smidge. And we're going to lay this down as our base coat. Whenever you add water to something, you want to make sure that you've got it all incorporated in there and it's all stirred together. Scrape your sides, scrape your edges, scrape the bottom. You know, you don't want the top half of the cup to be mixed up and the bottom half to not be. So, okay, that's looking pretty good. So it's going to put this down as a base coat. awesomeness.
Aye, lass, ready to deliver me.
Okay, here we go. Flip that onto the canvas. That's a good sign. I'm just going to give that a second for everything to dissipate from in there. And we're going to do the flip and lip, actually, because I really like the way that the lipping creates those beautiful lines and that flow and that movement in there. Right, you ready, darling?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. I think we do need a little bit more paint on here, but let's tilt this out a little bit first. No, actually, I think I'm going to layer that little cup. And we're going to do this again. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing. Permanent Violet Dark in the bottom. Some of the Quinacridone. Oh, I put red in the gold in first, didn't I? A little bit of gold. A little bit of violet. A little bit of white, a bit of blue, a deep sapphire, and violet, and I think I want one more shot of the Quinacridone Violet in there too. Okay, so let's put this one, I guess, over here. Here we go. Okay, that's cool. Second, here we go. Ready? Okay, that's cool. I love that color. So pretty. Let's give this a torch. Okay. Alright, let's tilt this out. This is looking really, really pretty, and this is beautiful too. Alright, I think what we're going to do, we're going to kind of head off to that corner first. And distribute the weight of our paint evenly around the canvas before we start taking anything off. Corner, go off that edge real quick. I'm gonna let this float down that way. I almost feel like Van White. Okay. Gosh, that's so pretty. That second cup especially is gorgeous. In the first cup, I guess we had more white in it. Yeah, definitely not too much paint.
Is it just enough, maybe, huh?
Yep. Okay. I'm gonna let that side float down until we cover that corner. Almost there. like this little bit here that's showing. So we're gonna tilt it a little bit in that direction and get that off. Hey, I see something. Bubble. Okay, we just want this bit here to come right off. I think it will in just a moment. Moving nice. Right there, that's good. Okay. That looks pretty cool. I'm gonna bring it back down just a bit. Stretching out the top edge so that we're giving this an opportunity to have any little cells pop up that want to. That's looking pretty cool. I love this side. Actually, I love the whole thing. It's awesome. Okay, give this a torch and then we'll give it a look and see what's happening. There's some really beautiful stuff over here. This is really pretty, this like line of white with these big cells, these like soap bubble cells. I love the little bits of gold cells that are popping through. This part is so pretty, that violet with the gold in it and the deep sapphire is just gorgeous. That's looking pretty good, HOA. What do you think?
I think that's beautiful.
I just want to get this down, stretched out just a smidge. If it will move. We're going to stop right there. I like that. I like the look. You think, HOA, you're good?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So this is pretty cool looking. I will show you guys this one on let's try. Thank you so much for being here for our redo of our inspiration celebration flip cup, flip and lip. Yeah, flip and lip. This is a lot of fun. I'll show you guys when let's try. We'll be right back. Max, what you got, baby? Say hi, everybody. Should we look at the dried results? Okay, here we go. So, I'm very happy with this. I love how this turned out. I really am having so much fun with these flippin' lips lately. Just beautiful colors, gorgeous flow, movement, beautiful blending. Got that gorgeous Quinacridone Violet in there, and the permanent violet dark, and that beautiful deep sapphire. And I love this little bit of soap bubbly kind of lacing in here. Really pretty stuff. So, this was the flip cup that I guess should have been on that big canvas. But it was fun. I enjoyed this one a lot. I enjoyed playing with those colors again. Lots and lots of fun. So, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today and, you know, being a part of our journey. We love you a lot. We'll see you for the next one. Next week we have coming up this Sunday, I believe we have the first part of our We Are Family collaboration celebrating Pride Month with a whole bunch of amazing artists. And then we have fluid stock coming up, I think after that. So lots of fun stuff happening. I'll post more information about those as they come. So we'll see you real soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye. Can you say bye, Baxter? Say bye, Baxie. See you guys later. Yay! You got it! Yay! What a good doggy! You're so silly. You're a silly puppy. That's a ball for a horse, Baxter. Don't forget to play and have fun. Bye.